My name is Jasmine and I'm working as a trainee quantity surveyor here at Cobham. The project I'm currently working on is Cobham Retirement Village. It's 74 bed luxury apartments. A typical day involves me coming to sites. I will go out, do valuation to check what everyone's applying for. Then I have meetings with site and just discuss our priorities of the week. The highlight of my career so far, I would say, is the people that I've met, become really good friends as well as colleagues. And it just makes a difference. Graham has helped me by giving me training in different areas of the field, and we've had multiple young development programs where we've gone and met everyone, which is nice. I would recommend Graham as an employer, as I believe they introduce you to the construction industry quite well. Coming from school, I had no clue really about construction. I'd never been on a site, and I think they eased me into that quite well. Especially when I came to this job, when I was working with my manager, she had time to sit and teach me. Well, Graham gives you the chance to sort of, if you're not enjoying quantity surveying, you can move to site management, and I have seen that happen. Which is nice because, as I said, when you don't understand a thing, you might have gone into the wrong side of things and might prefer the production side of things. The biggest challenge of my career so far would be being confident in what you're telling everyone, especially on big sites. When you're sitting down in meetings, you have to be confident enough to say your points. And that is a challenge, but you get used to it, especially if you're just the only female sitting in the room. You don't really want to say anything, but you regret it if you don't. So I would say that's a big challenge that I've had to deal with. One piece of advice that I would give to anyone starting out an apprenticeship journey is to not get too stressed out about certain things. I know it's a lot when you're studying and working, but coming from my experience, my lecturers are understanding of that, and you don't have to push yourself all the time to get the highest grade you can. If you know you're better at different topics, just aim for it in that, and then the others, maybe just aim for a pass.